Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So lately, I've been seeing this hack method pop up all over the place. Supposedly, you can get unlimited coins and GP in eFootball using nothing but your phone. No computer, no weird tools, nothing complicated. I decided to test it myself, and honestly, it actually worked. Here's exactly what happened. The first thing the hack tool requires is the player ID. You'll find it in your eFootball profile or in the settings. I quickly copied mine so I'd have it ready for the next part. Super fast step. Next, I opened my phone's browser, using Chrome, but any browser will do, and headed to the hack tool site. I searched for eFootball and tapped the unlimited coins and GP option. The page loaded cleanly without any weird pop-ups or sketchy redirects, which was a good sign. Once I got to the main page, I chose my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS is supported too, and pasted my player ID. After checking everything, I hit Proceed. The site started connecting right away, showing a quick loading animation while it synced with my account. No errors or slowdowns at all. Then came the fun part, choosing how many resources I wanted. So I picked a solid test amount just to see what would happen. After I tapped Proceed, the system started running, with progress bars, syncing notifications, and the usual stuff. It actually looked surprisingly organized and smooth. Before it could finish, it asked for a quick verification. Didn't take long at all, and once I completed it, I went back to the site. It confirmed everything was successful. To confirm, I reopened eFootball and checked my balance. And yes, the additional coins and GP had already been added. No waiting, no errors, instantly there. Honestly, I was quite surprised at how smoothly it went. So yeah, in my test, this method worked. It was fast, simple, and completely mobile. Just make sure you follow all the steps exactly and stick to safe verification sources. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more straight-up tests like this one. And if you tried it yourself, drop a comment and let me know how your experience went. I read them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.